hungry. Babe, is there more turkey in there?
Yeah, it's in the fridge.
Where?
In the fridge.
Let's see, turkey in the box. Turkey. Let's see what it looks like. Looks pretty good. I think we can use it. Let's go, turkey. What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Turkey day is gone, man, and everybody didn't come over like you thought they would.
Corona is still up on it.
Turkey left over. I'm gonna show you what to do with it. It got the ticking and clicking. I got it for you. Let's go. I'm gonna show you how to get into it. This is another episode, Jam Pack Cooking. Let's eat. 71. Let's go, baby. What's up, gang? Welcome back. We got veggies on the board today.
Veggies.
We're gonna do this a couple different ways. Smoked it, fried it, however you did it. I know you got it left over. Get that turkey out the fridge. First recipe I'm gonna show you how to remake with this turkey Tator Tots. Not the simple, you know we ain't basic, no baseability. Look, it was different this year, man. We didn't get a lot of our family members over like we normally do. You know, cousin them couldn't tote all the plates away, so we got some leftovers. Normally, hey, we ain't got none left over here. Cousin them got to-go plates, they got backpacks, diaper bags, all type of stuff toting them plates out of here. Take your red bell pepper, break it down real quick. We want to do some mince. We want them about uniform because they going into this turkey tater tot. Slice. Give it a 90, wash them fingers, and you just dice. Oh! Y'all know we ain't basic. Ain't nothing cut. Bruh. Lighten up. You just dicing veggies, man. How did your holidays go, gang? Was everything lovely? We had a shit ton of turkey left. So I said, damn, what are we gonna do with all of this turkey we have left over? I said, if I'm thinking it, the gang gotta be thinking it. Cause I know they fried that turkey up. If you ain't seen that fried turkey video, it's gonna be right here. I know you fried that turkey up. Diced sweet Vidalia onions on there. Check it out. Flavorification right there. It's not too much, it's not too strong. This sweet onion is gonna complement that turkey well. We don't have to do too much heavy seasoning on this recipe. These are leftovers. You got your taters, you got your turkey. Run my knife through this one more time. This is going into that tot. We don't want big pieces, but we want it, you know, minced. We gotta saute the veggies off. We don't want them going into our dish with the big crunch. No, we need these translucent.
Sauce.
Couple tablespoons of the EVOO extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna take about 2/3 of our peppers and onions, our minced peppers and onions. Put them right down into the EVOO. Saving the rest for the second dish. We gotta season our veggies up. About a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of the fresh cracked pepper. You know we can't do this dish without it, baby. Tablespoon of the magic dust. Big Smokeys, BBQ.com for your magic dust. We really want these to cook down for about a minute or two because we want them translucent. When you bite into that tater, you don't want too much of crunch because we're gonna put that crispification on the outside. Big shout out to everybody that's been getting that magic dust at BigSmokeysBBQ.com list. From this video, episode 71 to January 1st, 2021, we running a special. When you go get ready to check out on your magic dust, type in code SAVE10. Yeah, it's gonna knock you 10% off. You know, anything helps. That's just to show our appreciation of what you're doing and how you've been supporting us and supporting the movement. Let's pull the veggies off. Not only turkey, I know you got the taters left. These are some of our garlic mashed taters that we did for the turkey day. This recipe down in the description. Get these mashed taters down into this bowl. Get our veggies right into these taters, man. Just enough. Take these taters up to the next level. This is what we have left. Couple breasts and some dark meat here. If you ain't seen that fried turkey video, go check it out. Best fried turkey you gonna ever try, man. That's what the people say. Do not heat this up on the stove or put any type of heat to this just yet. You don't need it. It's got the juices locked in. If you heat it up, you're gonna overcook it. It's gonna be dry. You're gonna say, yeah, I told you, don't do it. Some nice thin slices. We ain't did nothing to this meat. That turkey still got the juice. It's still juicy. That's what we looking for. We wanna be able to taste that turkey in the top. Break it down. Get the turkey and the taters. That one breast yield about maybe a cup of turkey. We gonna give you the creamification with the crunchification. It ain't easy being cheesy, baby. If you want to use mozzarella, you can substitute it for mozzarella. The OAXACA cheese, identical to mozzarella. We're gonna grade us about 2 cups of this OAXACA cheese in this tater tot. It's gonna give you more of the creamification, thicken it right up. It melts beautiful inside of this dish. The best processed American cheese you can buy. VELVEETA also got its own flavor profile. Take these tots to the next level. You don't need about a half a cup of the VELVEETA. We're using this grater just so it can distribute well throughout the dish. You might have a pile of cheese on the right hand, and on the left hand, he missing his cheese. 1 egg, beat it up. We got 1 egg beaten going down into the mixture. 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. BigSmokeysBBQ.com. Go get your 10% off your magic dust. Type in code SAVE10. Give it a mix. It's thick. She's big old thick. Pick a whole spoon of up, and it's gonna stick together. I ain't even put it together. That's the consistency you want. We gotta make some balls. Put me some in my hand like that. Nice ball. You want balls. The same size balls. Throw them in the freezer for about, maybe I say about 2 hours until they stiffen up. You don't have to get it frozen solid. You want it to a point to where you can pick it up and it won't have indents and it won't deconstruct. Let's bust the rest of these out and we're gonna get them in the freezer, baby. Watch this. We got balls, baby. Turkey tater tot balls. 2 hours. Let's go. We had them in there for about 2.5 hours, but look at them. They to the point to where they form and they stiff. We gotta bread them up, gang. All-purpose flour. Tablespoon of our desegregation rub in there. Salt and pepper on another level. Tablespoon of the magic dust in there. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. Regular breadcrumbs. Tablespoon of parsley. Tablespoon of freshly ground coarse black pepper. Give them a mix. 2 eggs going down into a half a cup of agua. Beat them up. Go into the AP flour. It's gonna help the egg wash stick. Egg wash is gonna help the breadcrumb stick. We got about 4 or 5 cups of canola oil here. Use whatever type of oil you like to use. This is what we like to fry our turkey tater tot balls in. Bring this up to about 350. Typically, you wanna keep it wet and dry hand, so this would be my dry hand. AP flour. Give it a toss into the egg wash. Drop it into here. Muy delicioso, baby. Drop them down into that hot grease. That grease is about 350 degrees, somewhere close to. You don't really wanna go too much higher than that. Breadcrumbs will cook too fast. You'll burn it on outside. Inside won't be all the way. I'm gonna get the rest of these breaded, drop them in the grease. Watch this, baby. Drop them and pop. Let's go.
Low-key got it booming,
You can spend the block, bitch, you not like me. All that came from niggas stop, bitch, you not like me. I'm certified so I can pop my shit like me. Like me, bitch, you not like me. 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 Like me, bitch, you not like me. Man, you not the same. Johnny Ice the chain. Money, that's the name. Ice, glacier boy.
You got that crispification on the outside and that creamification on the inside, baby. Come on now. Oh my God. Good Lord have mercy. GBD, golden brown and delicious. We gotta let them cool down. You don't wanna break into them right out the grease. Gang, did you order up a dozen turkey tater tot balls? Yes, Lord. You better know it's got that creamification inside of there. Got that big old cheese in there. Come on now. Big crunch on the outside. Can you guess what this is? It's that leftover gravy. Oh God. This hot, gang. I don't know. We about that. Come here. Come here. You see me doing this? It's a wrap. This might be one of the best recreations we ever did on the channel. We put you some gravy on there just for you. It's that 30-weight gravy coming down with that turkey pieces in there. Lord have mercy. Taste the buttery of the mashed potato. Ooey gooey cheesy running through there with a slight crispification on the outside. Y'all ain't never seen me go back in for 3 bites. Come here, man. Look at that creamification in there, gang. You die for. We gotta stop. Turkey tater tot. We took the leftover mashed taters. If you ain't do taters, grab you some rice. If you ain't do rice, get your yams. Taters are the best way to go. Come back with that leftover gravy. Gonna put you to sleep. Muy delicioso, very delicious. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. I appreciate y'all for watching. Appreciate y'all for buying the merch and supporting that magic dust. Don't forget, if you're getting that magic dust in the merch, man, save you 10% off all the way to January 2021 using code SAVE10. Make sure you go smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause we always jamming and cooking, baby. Until next time, peace and love.